just wanted to let you know what I was doing today outside of my yard. I put my bell peppers outside so they can start getting hardened up. And these are like my banana peppers right here. These are my jalapeno peppers. These are my sweet peppers, which is called Tangerine Dream. I can't wait to try those. And these over here are more sweet peppers, banana peppers, green peppers, and then those are some more red peppers, green peppers over there. So this is what I did. I put all these out today to try to get them going. And I know you guys gonna say, boy, Renee, you're gonna have a lot of peppers. Yep, because I'm gonna be eating a lot of peppers, and I'm also going to be cutting them up and putting them in my freezer. That's the whole purpose of me doing peppers. And over here, I cleaned off my deck, got rid of pots that I weren't going to be needing, because when I do the redesign, I didn't want to have all those unnecessary pots. This pot right here, which has my blanket flower in, I am going to be putting that in the landscaping. And I also have another blanket flower right here that's going in the landscaping. And as you can see, this one cabbage right here, not cabbage, it's collard green, is starting to go to seed. So I'm going to let this one go to seed, because for the life of me, I cannot remember what type of collard green this is. So I love it so much. Look how beautiful this is. And I'm going to be harvesting this tomorrow. And I'm going to be washing it and cutting it up and putting it in my freezer so I can have it when I want it. But these seeds are like $1 million seeds. These are some good seeds right here, because it produces such a beautiful collard green. All right, and then over here, I have my carrots that are doing, the Danvers carrots, which are doing good. My strawberries are starting to pop up. And I put some tulips and daffodils over here. And look at this one. Look at this tulip. This one looks like it's going to be a white tulip. I cannot wait for that one. And as you guys know, I can't wait for these to open up, because these are going to be beautiful. And look at my flower boxes. They're starting to pop with this yellow. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God, look at this purple one. A purple one. The wind is like feeling so good today. It's purple with that little yellow throat. And look at these little violas. Look, isn't that gorgeous? And these have the yellow throat in them too. Beautiful. I just love it. And then, as you guys know, my perfect violas as always. And then my little small, little baby daffodils. Aren't these just the cutest things? I love daffodils. And I'm beginning to really fall in love with violas. And then I took some red mustard greens that I overwintered from the fall, and I repotted them in one of the Dollar Tree containers. So they're going to do great. And this one over here is another blanket flower that I will be putting into my landscape. And this is a piece of artwork that one of my friends gave me as a gift to my garden. And look at this hyacinth. This flower smells so good. When I was out here working, all I could smell was the fragrance of this hyacinth. And another little beautiful daffodil. Just look deep in that throat. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I have a daylily coming up, which is wonderful. And of course, a small little viola here, which hasn't opened yet, but it's beautiful. And let me take you guys over here to where I rearrange all the tulips. Well, this one has always been here, but look, they're going to be opening up any day now. And so I put oh my gosh, look, this one opened. Look. Oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous? It opened, and it wasn't open, it was closed, just like this one when I was out here today. But look, what a beautiful gift that is. Ah, and it smells so good. And I got another one that just popped open. So they're starting to pop open, you guys. And then I have this tulip, and oh my goodness, look at this one. This one I bet is going to be open within tomorrow or the very next day. Look at that. And then we got the white, paper white, which we knew already opened. So my tulips are going to be starting to pop open anytime now. So I'm so excited. And then I have a mum down there that still did great. And then I transplanted this one. Look at this. Look at this one. This is so pretty. I'm telling you, these pansies are showing out. Showing them, hey Renee. And this one is, look at the contrast. You got the light purple here, and then you have this dark purple. Gorgeous. I'm loving it. My garden is telling me it is ready to be seen. So let me show you what I actually did today. Let's go down here. And my Shasta daisies are starting to leaf out. They are going to be gorgeous. This, I need to take this off because this is just in the way of all the beauty. But that's going to be gorgeous. All right, let me show you what I did today. I went over here and I put these under the tree because they were like just wilted over because they were in the heat too much today. So I put them up here underneath my Japanese maple. So they're coming back to life. So this is what I did today. All the pots that I had, my mom's and my violas, I split them all up because I wanted to be a mum, a viola. So I did that in all of the pots because I'm trying to get them to look like that one right here. You see how that one is? That's what I want all my boxes to look like. So I'm trying to repurpose and reuse what I have in my garden. Isn't that just stunning? Gorgeous. And I'm trying to make them all the same because I don't know about you guys, but when I'm looking at something, like when I'm looking up here, and I haven't even got to this part to clean this part up yet, but do you see how that first window box is gorgeous? It just goes straight up. And I want it to be, you know, where your eye just continues to go up. I don't want it to be like, you know, you jumping from one flower to another. But I know what the question on everybody's mind is. Renee, how did your trap do over there for Rocky? All right, let's walk over there and let's see if Rocky messed with anything. Well, the first one, nope, it's still intact. Rocky didn't mess with that one. And over here, nope, Rocky didn't mess with that one either. And I can see from over here where the big strainer is that Rocky didn't mess with that one either. Good job, Miss Renee. Yeah. And this section over here is really starting to pop up. Look at all them daffodils. They are showing their color. Can't wait. Look, the tulips in the red pot is about to open too. Yeah. All right, now I want to show you the first thing I planted in my red boxes over here was some of the red mustards. This is the first thing I put in my new boxes that my husband planted. So we shall see how they do. Look at that. They look pretty good for being overwintered. Look at that. Gorgeous. Alright guys, I just wanted to bring you this video. Oh no, before we go, look. These daffodils open. Just check them out. beautiful. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. All right, you guys, well, I'm going to leave you with this beautiful daffodil. I'm telling you, I love spring. Spring is gorgeous, and there's one over here. I didn't know too, because look at these daffodils. They're kind of like ruffly. Look on this side. Let me see if I can get you on the side. See how it's ruffly? It looks like crepe paper. How you fold and it's all crumpled up. But it is gorgeous. Oh, I'm so happy. Alright guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're having a blessed day. And I hope you're able to get out in your garden today. Because I was so happy that I was able to get out in mine. All right, I will talk to you in the next video. My heel is starting to pop, even up at the top. The daylilies are starting to come out. All right, guys, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.